Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make a video effect like this in Canva, or you can say how to put video in frame in Canva. So why I have chosen this video of this jellyfish for today. So today is a special day, as today in the whole world is World Ocean Day. So I have chosen this video and hope you like the tutorial, and let's start with it. So I will close it and I will open YouTube thumbnail, as I want to make it a big vast video. So I will choose that frame, and after choosing that, let's zoom it a bit so that I can show the tutorial in a better way. So I have already uploaded this video of this jellyfish, as you can see here. This is downloaded from pexels.com and you can also download it from there, and in fact I will share the link in the description. So let's start with it. So first we'll come to the photos and we'll choose here coast, and we'll choose this image. This is free to use. You can just click and just make it bigger, and it fits. And after that, let's go to elements and type in here frames, and quickly scroll down, and as you have seen that you have come to the later frames effect, as you can see here. So we'll click here water, so we'll choose W A T, let's make it smaller, and we'll make T a bit bigger so that it analyzes and makes a bit pop out video, as you can see in the main video as I have shown previously. So I will resize it here, and I will write R. So as you can see, the frames are all settled, but I can use some more space here. So let's increase the size. And let's bring them a bit down so that the video looks better. Let's shift it. So all the letters have come to the frame. Let's shift in here and in here, so that we can bring the W a bit closer here. And after that, we have to use this video. So how to use this? There is a simple trick, and the image just doesn't stop you if you just keep it like that, because it will not resize it. So to resize it, you have to double click it and make it big as per the size of the frame, so that you can make it all of the same size. So as you can see, I have made the perfect fit. So I will follow the same process on all the 4 frames. Double click it, make it bigger, and place it. is simple, but you have to just keep it in mind that you have to make all these distinct so that the video has a great effect. And I have done for all of them, and let's download and see if it looks great or not. And this is how you can see that the video looks, and as you can see, it is a properly sequenced video. As you can see, the movement clearly indicating that the video sequence is correctly formatted, and you can make the similar in your own way. To download the video, you will find the link in the description. Hope you like the video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting tutorials. Thank you.